A is for apple, apple. Apple. B is for ballon, ballon. Balloon. C is for cat, cat. Cat. D is for duck, duck. Gag. E is for elephant, elephant. Elephant. F is for fish, fish. Fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. Giraffe. H is for horse, horse. Horse. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jam, jam. Jam. K is for kites, kites. Kites. L is for lion, lion. Leo. M is for moon, moon. Moon. N is for nose, nose. Noose. O is for orange, orange. Orange. P is for pig, pig. Pig. Q is for queen, queen. Queen. R is for rose, rose. Rose. S is for star, star. Star. T is for tiger, tiger. Tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violet, violet. Fire. W is for well, well. Well. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yo, yo. Yo. Z is for zebra, zebra. Zebra. Next time, won't you sing with us?
1, 2, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, knock at door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hand. 11, 12, big background. 13, 14 makes us sing. 15, 16 makes the kitchen. 17, 18 makes the weight. And 19, 20, my plate is empty. Let's do it one more time.
Now we got some yummy foods. So fun. Apple, red and sweet. Crunchy snack, what a treat. Banana, yellow and bright. Peel it up and take a bite. Fruit, colorful and fun. Healthy for everyone. Let's all sing. Nature's tasty offering. Orange, juicy delight. This lunches feel so right. Grapes, purple or green. Fine fruit, so we see. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing. Nature's tasty offering. Watermelon, juicy delight. Sip and munch, it feels so right. Grapes, purple or green. Tiny fruits, always see. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Let's all sing. Nature's tasty offering. Watermelon, big and round. But it's strawberry red and small. See fruit but not all. Colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Adulting, nature's tasty offering. Pineapple, pineapple, prickly and sweet. Tropical taste that can't be beat. Mango, mango, orange delight. Smooth and sweet, just right. I'm all fruit, colorful and fun, healthy for everyone. Adulting, nature's tasty offerings. So many fruits, so much to explore. Eat them all, you'll want more. Thanks for singing, thanks for the fun. Healthy fruits for everyone.
Hello, it's That's our shakes. This is circle. Pizza is the shape of circle. Breakfast circle. Circle. This is square. It has 4 sides. Dice is the shape of square. Purple square. Square.
I am triangle. I have 3 sides. Mountain's the shape of triangle.
Green triangle. Triangle. I am stars. I have 5 sides. You can see me in the sky. Yellow star. Star. This is hexagon. It has 6 sides. Orange hexagon. Hexagon. This is rectangle. It has 4 sides. And the love is the shape of rectangle. 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 I am oval.
Egg is the shape of oval.
Green oval. Oval. This is diamond. It has 4 sides. Kites is the example of diamond.
Thank you. Brush your teeth every night and day. Keep those germs and plaque away. Brush, brush, brush with a little squeeze. Shiny smiles, everyone's pleased. Wash your hands before you eat. With water and soap, make them neat. Scrub, 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 the germs go pop. Clean hands, don't let them stop. Eat your veggies green and bright, and make you strong with every bite. Crunch, 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 it's super fun. Carrots and peas for everyone. Say your please and say your thank you. Polite words make the world smile too. Please, 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 we love to hear. Thank you loud and clear. Pick up toys when you're done with play. Tidy up, it's the best way. Clean, 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 it's not too tough. Neat rooms where there's space for stuff.
Learn days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Learn again. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7, 7, 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7, 7, 7 days in a week. Learn again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
Learn days of week. Sunday. 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 Monday. 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 Tuesday. 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 Wednesday, 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 Thursday, 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 Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, seven days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days in a week. Let's learn again. Monday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, 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 Tuesday, 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 Wednesday, 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 Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days. Days of week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days in a week.
Kids, today we learn water animals. Octopuses, 8 arms waving all around. Swimming through the sea where treasures are found. Octopus. Octopus. Jellyfish float by with a gentle glow. Their see-through bodies put on a light show. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Crabs scuttle sideways with claws big and wide. Burying in the sand, it loves to hide. Crown, crown.
Clownfish swims. Clownfish swims in an anemone's home. Orange and white in the sea they roam. Clownfish, clownfish. Stingray glides smoothly, flat and so grand, floating like a kite above the ocean sand. Stingray, stingray.